pakai Jingjia ka belajar. Haka kalau tarik mutak menah pas nang Muktapur. Haka beda begini ke Jingjia ka belajar pak Muktapur haka Sngewthuh. Nak kaliang jong umeti ke kampung yang ubah persetuan tensang olah lemia ke celang jong IG ke BSF, DGP, nak kaliang jong pulit, berkemjur ke berkehia officer. Kejengkan kalau banyak penbaik, harus kejengja ke belajar haka tiga sengi. Nak kaliang jong ubah persetuan tensang oleh tu pada penbaik ini ke kambat. Nak kaliang jong kita buat BSF dulu kira kular bak bukan ni kena menjasuh sebenarnya sekemat.
Can you tell us something about that incident?
That incident which has happened on the border, the issue has been resolved yesterday only, and that also very amicably, and that was an unfortunate incident. The rest of the instructions will be given by the Dy.Cm. That has been alleged by that person, and we are inquiring into the issue. And given the background of the discipline of the force, given the morale and motivation of the force, given the other aspects of the force, sensitivity of the area, everything will be taken care of.
So
See, like the things are under process, and already, as I had told you, that yesterday everything was sorted out with Dr. Boam and with the local NGOs, with the local headmen, with the local civilians, with the police force out there, with the SDO out there, and our company commanders. All were present at the Almaram place, and it has been sorted out amicably. And we assure you that in future and till now also, we have been working for the welfare of the people, and we will keep on working for the welfare of the people. Thank you.
Sir,
Fortunate incident where the veterinary surgeon was allegedly misbehaved by BSF personnel. There was a communication gap because of some local language problems or maybe other reasons. So Honorable Home Minister has called a meeting of the IGBSF. I also attended, and from Home Department, Additional Chief Secretary and Home Secretary, they were in the meeting. So basically we discussed not only about that incident but about earlier incidents also, and we have decided that the coordination committee involving the police, civil administrations and the BSF will be constituted at sub-divisional level, and every month they will organize one meeting, and where the community leaders will be invited as special invitee to attend meeting, so that the trust and understanding can be strengthened between the people of the border villages and the BSF. Let the preliminary inquiry be conducted from the BSF side, and once that report comes, after that only we will take up. So, and he has not filed any FIR formally, but the only he complained to the local, and then we have taken the matter with the BSF because BSF was directly alleged that they were misbehaving with the veterinary surgeons. So inquiring into the matter, and today IG BSF has assured us that I will go into the detail, and once after inquiry, once he will submit the report, then we will think about the action to be taken.
So
I'm not aware what they have told earlier or clarified before the media. I'm not aware, but today we have discussed about that, and they agreed that such kind of incident will not be repeated at all. That is one, he has given us assurance. And secondly, whatever exactly happened, they will look into the entire incident, and to overcome the mistrust and misunderstanding, this coordination will be strengthened.
So what?
I think from the department, from the government side, the IG of BSF, along with his senior officer and additional chief secretary, Home, and Secretary Home, DGP, as well as Inspector General of Police. So we had a detailed meeting relating to that incident, which was happened somewhere in that Muktapur site. And then we discussed all the details, but let me just inform you that yesterday at Amlaram, meeting was held jointly, and then the issue was amicably resolved. So I don't want to talk anything else on this since it has been resolved. But again, I've taken a decision that now on, we will have an official notification from the government side, where even the BSF authority has agreed to it. The notification is relating to the coordination committee, standing coordination committee, in all the international border with Bangladesh to be headed by the SDO civil, like Amlarem, like Punusla, Sora, then Ranikor, then Dalu side. So we will have this committee according to the subdivisional level, and to be headed by the SDO civil. Then the members will be the SDPO of those respective civil subdivision, and the company, they call it company commander of the respective BSF camp has also to be there. And also we would like to have the traditional heads like the Sardar, the Rambashno to be part of that committee. At least this committee will sit down, if not once a week, at least maybe twice a month or maybe once a month. They will sort it out, those differences wherever arises, or even without any conflict or without even any incident happen, they can always have a meeting, and this will be notified very soon along with the terms of reference of this coordination committee. So once this is in place, I am very sure all this kind of misunderstanding or the unfortunate incidents, whatever, can be resolved at the earliest possible and locally can be done without spreading those incidents. Otherwise, now because the social media is very fast nowadays, it may just a split of second spread out to the entire state. We taken today, and very soon, hopefully by if not tomorrow, by day after tomorrow, this notification will come out. Sometimes the communication gap is what? Language, where or BSF personnel, sometimes they cannot talk in the local language, or they don't understand the dialect. So ultimately, unnecessarily misunderstanding takes place, and then conflicts takes place. Therefore, why I've taken this decision to have a standing coordination committee in the lower level, in the field level, because of that, because of this issue, and this also will be resolved amicably in the field, in the level of this coordination committee. That's what I already mentioned to all of you, that the coordination committee will sit down regularly in that level. Any issues, be it smuggling issues, or be it the coming in of Bangladeshi to our territory, or be it any incident or any issue, be it the border hat, be it anything. So this coordination will keep meeting among themselves, and there are issues which they need to bring it to the government, to the government's attention. We will take note of that, and if they don't need, they can even resolve in the level. It is open.